Earn unlimited money by watching YouTube videos, a best passive income source for lifetime. I have 1,500 plus referrals and getting $2 daily without doing anything. Let's know how. Step 1. The registration process. First of all, go to our referral link given in description box to sign up. This is very easy process. Just submit email and password, and you are ready to go. Verify the email after registration. Step 2. How to watch video to earn money. You don't need to leave the website, everything is on this is automatically adjusted timer which you watch. For starting it will give you 10 seconds video and then 20 seconds and finally you will reach up to 600 seconds videos giving 1 cent per video. Step 3. How to cash out your earnings. There are multiple ways to get paid. The best thing is $1 as minimum payout. And payment also made instantly automatic. Payment is verified by us and screenshot of payment is attached. Step 4. The automatic process. You don't need to watch video yourself because it could be boring work. Let your device do it automatically. You don't need to keep grating your eyes on your device. You can use multiple devices to multiple income. Step 5. How to set up the automatic process.
Step 1. Install the MacroDroid automation app from the Play Store using the link provided in the description. Step 2. Download and open the macro file PUVV, current version, macro using MacroDroid. When you click on the file, your smartphone will prompt you to choose an app to open it with. Select MacroDroid. Step 3. To run the macro, you will need to grant several permissions to the app. After opening the macro in MacroDroid, press the Save button located at the bottom right. Do this manually if the system doesn't offer it automatically. Step 4. Before activating the macro, make sure you are logged into the Payout.video website. Then activate the macro using the toggle switch. Step 5. If you have done everything correctly, a browser will open with the Payout website, and automatic video playback will begin. Possible errors. 1. If the macro is not running, it's possible that not all permissions have been granted. 2. If the browser with the website is open, but the videos are not playing, try changing the default browser on your phone to Google Chrome.
You can refer your friends and can get 20% of their earnings lifetime. Trust me, if you bring 1,000 friends you will get per day $2 to $3 without doing anything.